The snow didn't fall. It attacked. A soldier pushes through a white wall, coat frozen stiff, boots filled with ice water, hands numb past feeling. The wind howls so loud he can't hear his own breath. He tries to speak, but his lips won't move. Every step feels like lifting stone. His rifle is a block of ice. His fingers can't grip it. He wonders if he'd even know if he dropped it. He thinks of the fire back at camp, the one he didn't stay to see. He thinks of home, of warmth, of anything but this endless white. The storm blinds him. He can't tell sky from ground. He can't tell if he's walking forward or in circles. One soldier wrote, "The cold hunted us. It waited for the weak step, the slow breath, and then it took you." Some men froze standing up. Some never made it back. And the ones who survived never forgot the sound of snow hitting their coat like tiny, icy bullets. The Civil War blizzard, the cold that hunted men. War stories and shadows,